So good morning students. Today we will see about two-port networks, the interrelationship between the parameters. So in the previous video we had seen about your Z parameters, your admittance parameters Y, H parameters and ABCD parameters. So now we will see the interrelationship between the parameters there. So first is we are going to see your Y parameters in terms of Z parameters. So now your I is equivalent to Y into V. We know that your admittance parameter Y is equivalent to I by V. So we can write I is equivalent to Y into V. So what is V? We want to write this Y parameters in terms of Z parameters. So we write V is equivalent to Z into I. We know that the relationship is equal to V1 is equal to Z11 into I1 plus Z12 into I2. So we will write it as V is equal to Z into I. So substitute your I equation, that is Y into Z into I. So now if I relate it, how we can relate it in this expression if I am going to see here Y V. So here Y, we are going to have Y is nothing but your Z inverse. So we know that your admittance is nothing but inverse of your impedance. So we write your Y matrix as Y11, Y12, Y1, Y21, Y22 is equal to your Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. So if I take the inverse of it, in that case I will be getting my Y11. If I solve the inverse of that matrix, I will be getting Y11 is equal to Z22 by del Z. Y12 is equal to minus Z12 by del Z. Y21 is equal to minus Z21 by del Z. And Y22 is equal to Z11 by del Z. So we write del Z is equal to Z11, that is your determinant of the matrix, Z11, Z22 minus Z12, Z21. So now your Y parameter is in terms of your Z parameters there. Next is we are going to write your Z parameters in terms of Y parameters. So your Z parameters is nothing but Z is equal to inverse of your admittance. So inverse of your admittance is nothing but 1 by Y. So we write Y inverse. Take the inverse of your Y matrix. We will get Z11 is equal to Y22 by del Y. Z12 is equal to minus Y12 by del Y. Z21 is equal to minus Y21 by del Y. And Z22 is equal to Y11 by del Y. So where del Y is nothing but the determinant of the matrix, it is Y11 into Y22 minus Y12 into Y21. Next is your Z parameters in terms of ABCD parameters. So in terms of ABCD parameters, there is going to be no straight relationship. So what we are going to do is from the ABCD parameters, we are going to derive it. So we know that ABCD equation is V1 is equivalent to AV2 minus BI2 and I1 is equivalent to CV2 minus DI2. So now we will rewrite this expression because your Z parameters is going to be in terms of V1 and V2. So we will write it in terms of V1. V1 is already there in your ABCD equation. Now we want V2 equation. So V2 equation we can take it from the second equation, that is nothing but your I1 minus DI2. So here in this case your I1 minus di, so if I am going to bring it to the other side, it is going to be plus di2 divided by c. So I can write V2 is equivalent to 1 by c I1 plus d by c I2. So now you know that if I compare this equation, your V1 equation with your first equation, so A is nothing but your V1 is equivalent to your V2 equation. We have found out V2 is nothing but 1 by c into I1 plus d by c into I2 into A minus BI2. So if I simplify it, V1 is equivalent to A by c into I1 plus AD minus BC by c into I2. Now you can compare this V1 equation with this equation, so this V1 equation can be compared with this V1 equation. If I compare it, my A value is going to be here Z11. So in this case it is your Z11 is equivalent to A by C, Z12 is equivalent to AD minus BC by C. Next V2 equation here, Z21 is nothing but your 1 by C and Z22 is going to be D by C. So this is your Z parameters in terms of your ABCD parameters there. Next is Y parameters in terms of H parameters. So H parameter equation, if I am going to see, H parameter equation is going to be V1 is equal to H11 into I1 plus H12 into V2. So here I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2 there. So Y parameters we want means your Y parameters is nothing but in terms of I1 and I2. So I2 equation is there. Now I should take your I1 equation. So I1 equation from where I can get is from this first equation, your V1. From this first equation I can get my I1 there. So your V1 is equivalent to H11 into I1 plus H12 into V2. So here I1 is equivalent to 1 by H11 into V1 minus H12 by H11 into V2. So here this V2 is missing here. So this V2 should be there. So now I have got my I1 equation and I2 equation. What is I2 equation? We have your I2 should be in terms of V1 and V2. But here we have your I1 term here. So this I1 term is present. I should take this I1 and substitute here. So your I2 is equal to your H21. So here H21 into your I2 is going to be as such. And we are going to have your H22 into V2. So this is all mistake here. This is your H22 into 1. This is your H22 into 2. So this I1 equation we are going to substitute it. So here H21 into your I1 is nothing but 1 by H11 into V1 minus H12 by H11 into V2 into your that I1 only we are actually substituting it. So this I1 should not be there. Plus H22 into V2. So now if I simplify it, I2 is equivalent to H21 by H11 into V1 minus H12 H21, so H11 H22 minus H21 to H21 by H11 into V2. So now I have got this expression. So simplify, this is your I2 expression. Now compare this I2 with your this I2 expression. So first is I1. I1 is what? Y11. So Y11 is equal to 1 by H11. Then Y12 is equal to minus H12 by H11. Now I2 is equal to your Y21 is equal to your H21 by H11 and Y22 is equal to H11 H22 minus H12 H21 by H11. So this is nothing but the numerator is nothing but del H. So we can write it as Y22 is equal to del H divided by H1. So this is your relationship between your Y parameters in terms of H parameters. Next is ABCD parameters in terms of Z parameters. So to find the ABCD in terms of Z parameters, we are going to take the Z parameter equation there. V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So we know that if I want in terms of ABCD parameters, V1 is going to be one equation, the other equation is going to be in terms of your I1 there. So here in this case, your V2 we are going to take the second equation. So second equation is nothing but Z21 into I1 plus Z22 into I2. So what is I1 from this equation? Your I1 is equivalent to your 1 by Z21 into V2 plus minus Z22 by Z21 into I2. So now I have got this expression there. So after getting this expression, I will be substituting in V1 equation because my V1 should be in terms of your V2 and I2 there. So here for that we are substituting your I1 equation in this V1 equation. So your V1 is equal to Z11 into I1 is nothing but 1 by Z21 into V2 minus Z22 by Z21 into I2 plus Z12 into I2 there. So V1 is equal to, if I multiply it, it is going to be Z11 by Z21 into V2 minus, if I take the LCM, simplify it, it is going to be del Z divided by Z21 into I2. So now I can compare your comparing your ABCD equation is V1 is equal to, your V1 is equal to AV2 minus BI2. Here in this case, this V1 I am going to compare it with this V1 there. So A is nothing but Z11 by Z21, B is nothing but del Z by Z21. Next is C. C is nothing but your equation I1. I1 is what? 1 by Z1. So 1 by Z1, D is nothing but Z22 divided by Z21. So this is your ABCD equations, ABCD parameters in terms of Z parameters there. So next is your h parameters in terms of y parameters. So h parameters in terms of y parameters is, first write your y parameter equation. So what is your y parameter equation? I1 is equal to y11 into v1 plus y12 into v2, and I2 is equal to y21 into v1 plus y22 into v2. Now rewrite the parameters. Your h parameters is going to be v1, I2. So I2 is already there. So in that case we should now find out your I1 equation there. So I1 here is nothing but v1 we want. So v1 we can get it from the first equation. So I1 is equal to y11 into v1 plus y12 into v2. So from this, if I am going to write v1, it is going to be 1 by y11 into I1 minus y12 divided by y11 into v2. Next is I2. I2 is nothing but y21 into v1 plus y22 into v2. If I wanted in terms of h parameters, it should be your I1 and it should v2 there. So to get this I1, v1 is nothing but 1 by y11 into I1 minus 1 y12 by y11 into v2. Now substitute it, simplify it, I will be getting the expression I2 is equal to y21 by y11 into I1 minus plus del y divided by y11 there, that is y11 into v2. So I can compare this expression. So v1 equation is h11. So h11 is nothing but your h11 is going to be your 1 by y11. h12 is nothing but minus y12 by y11. h21 is nothing but your y21 by y11. h22 is going to be del y by y11. So this is your h parameters in terms of y parameters. So just a simple problem we'll see here. The z parameters of a circuit are going to be given as your 4, 1, 3, 3. That means that it is going to be your z11 is going to be, so z11 is equal to 4 ohms, z12 is equal to 1 ohm, z21 is equal to 3 ohms, Z22 is equivalent to 3 ohms. So now we have to obtain the transmission parameters. So transmission parameters is what? It should be in terms of your V1. This is your Z parameter. Z parameter, if I am writing it, V1 is equal to 4I1 plus I2. V2 is equal to 3I1 plus 3I2 there. If I want to write it in terms of your Z parameters is going to be V1 is equivalent to A into your V2 minus B into I2. Similarly, your I1 is equivalent to C into V2 minus I2. So now to compare it, so first equation is going to be, this is a V1 equation. A V1 equation should be in terms of V2 and I2, but it is not here. So here in this case, your I1 is, it should be in terms of V2 and di2. So what we should do is, first from this expression, here we have your expression V1. So here, if I am going to take this expression V2, from this expression, find out your I1. I1 is what we want to have in terms of V2 and I2. So V2, I2 is there. So I1 I will take from this. So I1 is equal to V2 by 3 minus I2. So 3 gets cancelled, is minus I2. Substitute this in your first equation. So V1 is equal to 4 into your V2 by 3 minus I2 plus I2. So here if I am going to simplify it, your V1 is equal to 4 by 3 V2 plus minus 3 I2. Now compare this V1 equation with this equation there. So if I compare it, your A is equal to 4 by 3. So this equation and this equation is going to be 4 by 3. B is equivalent to, if I am going to see, your B is equivalent to, so this is your B here, this is 3. Next is C. C is nothing but compare this equation, I1 equation. So C into V2. So C is nothing but 1 by 3. Similarly, D is nothing but minus 1. So these are your ABCD parameters. From the Z parameters, I can directly find out your ABCD parameters there. So we can see that your ABCD parameters are going to be 4 by 3, 3, 1 by 3 and 1. So this is how you have to find out your parameters there. Okay, thank you.